All right, guys, we got a super chat. This is from Mikey. Mikey writes, I'm a layperson when it comes to engines. I'm trying to learn. Are standalone ECUs IJSBA legal? Because Mikey has been jumping into buoy course racing and closed course racing. In fact, Mikey was probably our most prolific questioner during our Dustin Farthing interview. But my understanding is that a standalone ECU is only legal outside of the stock class. I believe limited class, pro class, and GP. I know for certain GP, and I believe pro class, but I'm on the fence about limited. But I certainly know that stock class is not. You would have to use a SCOM is or a speed control override is legal, but you have to have the factory ECU. I don't know if you have encountered anything else.
I think what you say is correct. It does really depend on each class and the regulations. Right. You have to read that through.
This you'll have to laugh, but or you'll laugh at this one, but my understanding of the IJSBA rule book in regards to standalone ECUs is based upon like the 2008, 2009, 2010 advent of the Motex first being introduced to the Yamahas with the SHO engines, because that was really the only way that people were getting any sort of power out of the SHOs was getting a Motec on there. And I'd have to go back and freshen up on the rule book, which no one wants to do.
One thing that happens a lot in other sanctioning bodies that they don't allow standalone, they usually, if they want to develop the race vehicle, and they use a standalone for testing, so they can do quicker changes, they can try different things easier. Then they implement that in some older fashion into the stock issue sometimes, either by external controlling or something like that, or even if they just need data log. So usually there's a lot of people that does like that.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.